There are two bills that have been advertised for public participation, and one of the bills is the privatization bill. But when the matter came to the House, the bill was referred to the Finance Committee, and the Finance Committee have published it for public participation. Mr. Speaker, under the new standing orders now, this Parliament now, there was a committee that has been created that's called Public Debt and Privatization, who are also seized of the matter of privatization. So, Mr. Speaker, I was seeking your indulgence that if the two committees can do jointly the scrutiny of the bill and the interaction with the public participation, so that they can come up with a report that is jointly done so that it can benefit, because they also oversight privatization, the other committee. So, Mr. Speaker, I was seeking your indulgence that the committee has requested, as the whip might, to address to you that if they can be allowed to do a joint participation, so that they can have a joint report, and then both committees can benefit from the report of the public participation, so that later when the bill is assented to, it doesn't get into problem with the other committee that is supposed to use it for oversighting purposes. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Honorable Junet, I'll direct the clerk to bring the two bills to me. I'll have to look at them with the attendant standing orders, and I'll give you direction on Thursday afternoon. Honorable Koech.